You've put up wallpaper in your home, but you have a few meters left over. Make sure not to throw it away, because it can really be a valuable piece to finish your room. Let's see how. Let's start by taking some old frames. If you have holes or filling to do, that's not good, because today we want to create a very modern style, so we use textured paste and fix the entire surface. I finish by sanding everything with an abrasive sponge, preferably a fine one. Now that our frame is smooth and flawless, let's paint it. I use dark sand, a very contemporary color. When it's nicely dry, start with the second coat. While the frame dries, I start measuring the wallpaper. I have a small piece, about 60 centimeters, but I use the glass to get the exact measurement. All the old frames have a fairly thick card underneath. I use it to stick well the wallpaper. Today I'm using spray glue. It makes it much quicker. I protect my frame, which is very dry, using Jasmine Wax that is both protective and scented. After a few hours, or even better the next day, you massage the wax. If you're in a hurry like me, you massage it straight away. Know that the longer it catalyzes before being massaged, the more it protects. The frame is ready, the paper is glued. Let's start assembling all the pieces. Let's have a look at how it turned out. This is just a preview. This task might be the only one that's a bit tedious and a bit more difficult, but follow my trick. Tweezers, small pliers, a little hammer you can find at markets, and small headless nails. You put the nails back in the old holes and the frame doesn't get ruined. If you can, put a hook at the back that isn't visible. This way it will look even more modern on your wall. This is a very beautiful Fornasetti wallpaper called Soli e Nuvole. Now you will have, besides a beautiful wall with this paper, a nice piece of furniture very special. Let's focus on this, on originality and avoiding waste, by reusing old frames as well. Make sure to follow me on the MagicPaint social media, Elisa&MagicPaint, to see more content like this, and to see MagicPaint products visit the website www.elisiahome.com or www.magicpaint.it. Goodbye.
Ciao!